Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on financial mathematics. This is part 1. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. Financial calculators A. Make most computations easier. B. Eliminate the need to understand the concepts behind time value. C. Are used almost exclusively in real life. D, A and C only. Correct option is D, A and C only. 2. The continuous compounding of interest, the correct option is C, requires a calculator to calculate. 3. The future or present value of an amount depends upon A, the interest rate, B, the number of periods, C, the number of times per year compounding occurs, D, all. The correct option is D, all. 4. When a firm is valued at the present value of its annual earnings divided by the relevant interest rate, A. This is called the capitalization of earnings. B. The firm is being valued as a perpetuity. C. A and B. D. None. The correct option is C, A and B. 5. In which case will an investor receive the most interest? A. 10% compounded annually. B. 10% compounded monthly. C. 10% compounded continuously, or D. 10% compounded daily. Correct option is C. 10% compounded continuously. 6. When a banker quotes an interest rate of 8% compounded semi-annually, he is quoting the A. Nominal rate, B. APR, C. EAR, D. Both A and B. The correct option is D. Both A and B. 7. Annuities, the correct option is B, are a stream of equal payments at equal time intervals. 8. Sinking funds, A, are a series of equal payments, B, are made to an account designated to pay off a bond's principal, B, C, help to reassure bondholders that a company can repay a bond's principal at maturity, or D, all. The correct option is D, all. 9. At 12% interest compounded quarterly for 5 years, what is the interest rate and the number of periods that will be computed before present value or future table can be used? So if you calculate, here you will find C as the correct answer, 3% 20 period. 10. Mortgage loans, A, are used to purchase real estate, B, are primarily long term, C, usually have more than half the balance remaining when the loan is halfway to maturity, or D, have tax deductible interest, or E, all. The correct option is E, all of the above. 11. The basic rule of the time value of money is, the correct option is C, a dollar in hand today is worth more than a dollar promised at some time in the future. 12. The present value of a future amount, A, will always be less than the future amount. B, can be calculated precisely if the discount rate and number of periods is known. C, is worth less than the future value. D, both A and B. So the correct option is D, both A and B are true. 13. Which of the following formula is the correct way to express a future value 2 periods into the future based on a present value and interest rate? FV2 is equal to, here all the options are correct, hence D is correct. 14. If you want to know how much money you will have at the end of 15 years if you make quarterly deposits in a bank that pays 6% interest compounded quarterly, you should go to a table A3 and look up the value for N is equal to, here if you calculate you will find D 61.5%. 15. If you use a financial calculator to solve a mortgage problem and you are given the amount of the loan, the interest rate and the term of the loan you will be solving for, the correct option is G, E, PMT. 16. When comparing an annuity due with an ordinary annuity with the same payment and duration, the annuity due will always have a dash present value and will always have a dash future value. A, higher. is the correct option. 17. Which of the following terms mean the same thing? So, the correct option is B. APR, annual rate or nominal rate, they are the same. 18. With amortized loans such as mortgages, the correct option is C. The proportion of interest to the total decreases later in the payment schedule. 19. A perpetuity, correct option is B, can be valued present value if the payment amount and interest rates are 20. An embedded annuity is A. An annuity that starts at the beginning of a stream payments but does not continue for the entire payment stream. B. An annuity that starts during a payment stream and continues to the end of the payment stream. C. An annuity that starts after the beginning of a payment stream and concludes before the end of the payment stream. D. All of the above. So here correct option is D. All of the above describe, embedded annuities. Now here I will take certain true false type questions. Also I hope that this may be asked. So here 1. All persons will have the identical opportunity cost rate. True or false? It is false. 2. A perpetuity may be thought of as an annuity that continues forever. It's true. 3. The Truth in Lending Act requires that lenders disclose the EAR. True. 4th, the present value of a future amount will be higher with a higher interest rate. False. 5. Present value and future value problems in real life often require combining two or more time value problems. True. 6. Most annuities are categorized as annuities due. False. 7. In order to calculate the future value of a perpetuity, one needs only to consult an existing table. False. 8. Lenders prefer less frequent compounding. Borrowers prefer more frequent compounding. It's false. 9. When the compounding period is 1 year and the interest is compounded annually, the EAR and the nominal rate of interest will be the same. It's true. 10. Mortgage interest is tax deductible for individuals. True. 11. During the final years of mortgage loan, most of the payments go toward the paying of interest. False. 12. The present value of a future amount is smaller when interest rates decrease. False. 13. A sinking fund protects investors or lenders from big losses. True. 14. Interest rates are usually compounded annually. False. 15. When no compounding period is mentioned, quarterly compounding should be assumed. False. 16. The frequency of compounding affects the actual amount of interest being paid. It's true. 17. Amortized loans usually have payments that vary periodically over the loan's life. It's false. 18. Mortgage loans are structured so that halfway through a 30-year loan, half of the loan has been paid off. False. 19. The future value of a perpetuity makes no sense because the payments never end. It's true. 20. Problems involving uneven streams of payments require that each payment be handled as an individual amount. It's true. So this was all about this particular video tutorial, where objective types means true or false type questions have also been included in it. I hope that you have definitely liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, our classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.